In this video, I'll show you how to put a VPN on your PS5 and get a secure, private connection for gaming. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. NordVPN is fast, reliable, and works with all devices, including consoles, ensuring your internet traffic stays safe and unrestricted. PlayStation consoles don't support installing VPN apps directly, which means you can't download NordVPN or any VPN app on your PS5 itself. But there's no need to worry, you can still use a VPN by either setting it up on your router or by creating a VPN-protected hotspot on your PC and connecting your PS5 to that network. In this guide, we'll focus on the router method because it protects every device on your Wi-Fi automatically, including your PS5, phones, PCs, and smart TVs. Let's go through the setup using a TP-Link router as an example. First, make sure you have an active NordVPN account. Then, open any web browser and type your router's IP address. It's usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using your router credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Advanced tab and find the VPN Client section. Enable it and click Save. Next, click Add under the Server list to create a new VPN profile. You can name it NordVPN or anything you like. Then choose OpenVPN as the VPN type and enter your NordVPN service username and password. You'll find these in your Nord account under Manual Setup Service Credentials. Now, download the OpenVPN configuration files from your NordVPN account. You can either use the recommended server or pick a specific one, depending on your region. You'll see two file types, UDP and TCP. UDP is faster for gaming and streaming, while TCP is more stable for slower connections. Choose whichever suits you best. Once downloaded, go back to your router's panel, click Browse, upload the file, and hit Save. After saving, turn on your NordVPN connection from the router's VPN client list. Then, go to the Device List section, click Add, and select your PS5. Toggle the VPN access switch to On, and your console will now be connected to NordVPN. With this setup, your PS5 traffic is encrypted, your location is hidden, and you can safely access geo-restricted content. It also protects against DDoS attacks and can help reduce lag in some online games. If your router doesn't support VPN by default, you can install custom firmware like DDWRT, Tomato, or Merlin to make it compatible. You can also check NordVPN's website for supported routers or contact their 24/7 support team. Setting up NordVPN on your router is one of the best ways to secure all your home devices at once and enjoy private, unrestricted gaming. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and keep your PS5 safe, fast, and unrestricted.